Good morning, everyone. Let's make some money trading the E-mini futures. You guys, it is Friday. It is June 21st. Let's go for some scalps in the market and see how much money we can make in the next 10 minutes. You guys, right now, all of our metrics, money is actually flowing out of the market. You guys can tell our middle band is showing red. We are down to this green buying zone accumulation stage, so I do want to see for a potential increase in price here soon. But overall, we aren't having that just yet. So if you aren't seeing the increase just yet, you want to still just be trading with the trend. I'm going to go over here to the market. I'm going to go and sell the market, and let's go for 1 point. Wow, this could be a really quick trade to close this out. Order filled and taken out. That's one trade done so far. That's $200. Going for 1 point with 4 lots. It's going to move $50 per tick. So far we are 1-0. Now, what you guys can do too is if you're still convinced or not convinced, all the metrics are still in line to the downside, you can stay going for shorts. Now, we are heading below this 50. We end up in testing this 50 EMA really nicely here on the 2-minute time frame. All of our metrics still, you guys can tell, this middle band has not yet switched over to green, so we still want to be looking to go short. I'm actually going to wait for a little bit of a pop-up here, and let's see if we can sell the market again here to see if we can get another push to the downside. So if we end up popping up into this area here, around this 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 5, I think this could be a great spot to then pull out another point in the market. Let's see what ends up happening here. Let's go ahead and wait for a second. It's pulling back up. I'm going to go and sell the market right now. Let's go ahead and go for another point in the market. All we got to do is go down to this area here, 4, 5, 6, 5, 2, 5. Again, all the metrics in combination here. Right now, we end up just getting a sell signal on our chart. That is a great indication we could see a push lower. This one's actually reversing on us a little bit here. If it ends up hitting this area, that's where we want to have our stops. We just want to get out of this. Again, we're going for high probability trades in the market here. Let's stay live with you guys and see what happens. Now, with the volatility being this much, what you guys can do too is you can also place your stops either above a previous swing high or swing low. So this would be 457.825. 457.825 is obviously going to be way above here in this top section, but we want to just go for little scalps. Let's see if we can pull out another trade in the market here. Currently down 50, so up 50, up 100, up 150. Let's see if we can close this one out. This will be 2 trades here. 2 profitable trades if we can get this one to close out real quick. Again, all of our metrics now with a sell signal. I do love how this is actually showing and panning out to the downside here. Let's see if we can just close this out in a second and make sure this is just a really good quality trade. Again, if we end up going up and past this, that is totally fine. We'll just end up closing out of the trade. What I'm looking at here too is you got a double bottom happening. But gosh, I do love this. I love how this is setting up over here, seeing a further push downwards. Now, if we end up breaking below this area, this is another spot in the market where, gosh, if you break below that, this could go much, much further. You guys keep an eye over here on the chart. We only got a couple ticks to go, and this will actually end up closing this trade out. Currently break even. Kind of fluttering just back and forth. Trading with the overall trend on our dashboard, so that is great. I think after this trade, if we end up closing this out here, I want to actually be looking for a potential push to the upside, since we are getting a little bit of like this consolidating area over here. We seem to be pushing, but we still have some buyers that are coming into the market. I do believe just since we are testing this level of support. There we go, closed out. Second trade closed out. We've been doing this video for 3 minutes and 24 seconds. That's 2 $200 trades. That is now $400 profit in less than 4 minutes. Let's just stay here live with you guys for a little bit longer and see if we can get a trade coming in or another one. We end up breaking this low here, almost breaking this low. So this is at, where are we at? 456525. 456525. This was the low of the day right here, at least within this last few candles here. So if we end up breaking below that, that is where we could actually see a big decrease in price. Now, with what I'm looking at is I don't want to just necessarily just dive right into it. When you're getting down to an area like this in the market, this is where you could actually see a reverse real quick to actually see a push to the upside. So what I'm going to be looking at doing here in a second is actually seeing if we can scalp a little bit to the upside, since we're down into this green buying zone accumulation stage. You guys can tell in this linear regression, this is where you want to be piling into your positions, but only when you get your metrics combined to the upside. So right now, you guys can tell on the dashboard, money is it's going basically sideways. We're actually kind of going this way. If we start pushing this upwards in that direction, that's where you can actually see an increase in price. Heikin-Ashi candles are going to switch from red over to green, and then we're going to be able to go for a long position. So until then, do not, and I would not want to be looking to go long in the market. We are still convinced into like a down position right now. So we are currently 2 for 2 trades. It has been 4 minutes and 42 seconds making this video so far. I want to stay on here a little bit longer to see if we can get either another push to the downside or upside and see if we can close out another profitable trade, which would end up giving us $600 profit here this morning. Now I do want to just trade here for probably about 5 to 10 minutes live with you guys, just so you can see transparency, what I'm looking at. A little bit more of a buying pressure coming through here. I do like this spot because I'm going to actually, this is a nice little bounce. I like this bounce on here. So this is where we can actually see price increase a little bit more. Again, now if you're looking to go into trades, if you're looking to go in trades and a little more advanced of a trader and you're looking and understanding these candles here, wait for a pullback. If you want to enter in, let's say right here, let's wait for a pullback down a little bit further and then enter into a trade. So this way you're not just getting it in right where you want it to, you're getting it on discount. See how this is switching over right now? Let's go ahead and buy the market right now. We're going to go for 1 point. This will end up giving us 3 for 3 on the day. This is about to close out, $150. We need to go one more tick in the market and that's going to end up closing out. Take a look over here. This is going to be our closeout. This is our stop loss. All right, there you go. That is now 3 for 3 trades. That is a $600 profit within the last less than 6 minutes, 5 minutes and 53 seconds. Guys, this is exactly how we're trading the market and being successful. This is using simple market metric indicators. You guys, you get lifetime access to this. Type in simple market metrics to your browser or just click the link in the description. Lifetime, $99. This is normally $199. Grab these metrics today. Follow along with how I'm teaching you guys to trade the futures and start making money. Take a look at our ratings. Take a look at our customer reviews. These are all the metrics that you're going to get. This dashboard, that's super important. This is telling you guys where all the key EMA crossovers, where money is flowing, where the market is flowing. All of the metrics you need to know. Advanced linear regression, which is telling you, which populates directly on your chart and says if you're trading a bullish or bearish market momentum, that way you can be trading with the trend. Support and resistance, and also multiple time frame EMA indicator. Right after you guys click this, go to Simple Market Metrics, add this to your cart, and grab the metrics. Right after this, it's going to ask you if you want to join our Discord. Now, over in our Discord is where we're actually trading live, and you guys can follow along with us. I have a 7-figure day trader, CJ, who trades futures, options, Forex, everything. Make the investment into yourself this weekend, starting today, Friday. Spend the time, join this team, start Monday, and let's start making some money together because it is very, very possible. This video is now 7 minutes and 15 seconds, showing you guys to take out 3 scalping trades in the market, $200 each, trading with 4 lots on Trade of 8, equating to $600 profit just this morning. Have a fantastic rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.